Because sin. And so when we wonder why St. Louis was so tore up from the floor, it was because of sin. It wasn't because of one incident. It was because of many incidents. It wasn't one corrupt situation. It was a whole lot of corrupt situations. It wasn't just because of one race of people. It's a whole lot of race of people. And we were so quick to point a finger and say, they did it. Who was that?
That's right. All right. Say that.
For real, because the last I heard, I don't remember the devil being identified as being black. I don't remember the devil being identified as being white. I don't remember the devil being identified as being anything but the devil. We blame everybody. White folks ain't good for us. It's the devil, saints. You don't get mad at anybody. Don't get mad at one race of people. Get mad at the source of the contention. The source of the issue is Satan. And all his little punk imps are working for him. So, he said, never mind. That's how I feel about him. It's a punk. Didn't want to take instructions from God. Didn't want to be second and under God. Wanted to be top dog. The same spirit that tries to operate in you and I, trying to make us more than we ought to be, trying to make us think we can lead our own life, guide our own footsteps, make our own way. When we know if it had not been for the Lord on our side. So, God's displeasure was with those who rejected his son. And often we may forget the fact that of the matter is that after we accept